everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Ashton. Today we're making some pancakes. We're making buttermilk pancake mix. We're going to use a mixing bowl, a spoon, and a whisk. You got to use 1 cup of mix. Do it now?
Yeah, you can do it now.
Then bowl of it?
Uh-huh.
Whoa. Oh, puffy. And 2/3 cup of water. 1, 2, 3. All of it?
All of it.
And now we're about to take our whisk.
That's not the whisk, that's the spoon.
Oh. And now we're about to take our whisk and mix it up. Bake, 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 bake. Tasty. This is my first cooking show, and I'm glad you guys are here. Guys, let me know in the comments if you like this video. If you want to make these pancakes with syrup on them. Oh, I see some more crunch. Get all the light. It feels mushy and goosey. Smells like oatmeal. Because I'm a kid, I need to have a Sous Chef when I cook. I think I want to put some vanilla in my pancake. Sous Chef, where do we vanilla? Okay.
Only a little. Small. That's enough. Oh.
I might put in a little too much. Dad, why did you do this to me? Now it looks so brown. Smells good. Smells delicious. Now we're ready to cook our vanilla pancakes. Sous Chef, come get the mix, please.
So much vanilla in here. Let's go.
Let's go what? Cook it? First, put some oil in the pan. Then a little butter if you want to. More butter makes it more butter. And pour in the pancake mix. Once you see bubbles forming, you flip it over. You can make big pancakes for your Sous Chef or small pancakes for yourself. Once it's brown on both sides, take it out. Now we're done with the pancakes. I have my pancake and my Sous Chef pancake. I'm about to let my Sous Chef sprinkle some sugar.
Not on yours though. You don't need any more sugar. Alright, just a little. Boop. Alright, what else do we need?
Syrup. Okay. A little bit.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Too much, Dad. I thought it would be.
I'm not Dad, I'm Sous Chef.
Too much, Sous Chef. Dad, why, Dad? Why? Okay, let's eat it. See how it tastes. That's it for the show today. Make sure you like and subscribe.